This video is for Knowledge Organiser 5 for Year 7 Theta classes. What I would like you to do is read the Knowledge Organiser, watch through this video with me and use it to work through the examples, try the questions from the Knowledge Organiser and then complete any maths watch work set. We're going to be building on yesterday's knowledge in terms of triangles. So again, we've got three main types of triangles we're going to use. An isosceles triangle, which has two angles the same and two sides. An equilateral triangle, which has three angles the same. All of these angles are 60 degrees and three sides the same. And a scalene triangle, which has all of the angles different and all of the sides different. If we have a look at this example here, so this has come from your Knowledge Organiser. It says, can you find angles K and J? This is a isosceles triangle. So to do this, we know that these two base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. So what we would do is we'd say that J straight away is 35 degrees. We then want to find angle K. So what we do is we do angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, which is our fact from our previous Knowledge Organiser. So we do 35 add 35 equals 70. We then say that K is 180, take away 70, and that gives us 110 degrees. And we've worked out angles J and K for this. For our next example, our angles are given using algebra. Now, we use the same angle fact as what we had before, which was angles in a triangle equal 180. This is a scalene triangle because all of our angles are different. But we do the same thing as what we would do in any other angle problem, which is we add up our angles that we've been given. So we've got x plus 2x plus 3x. If we add x plus 2x plus 3x, that gives us 6x, and we say that 6x equals 180. We then want to find out what one value of x. 6x means 6 times x, so we do our inverse operations to solve this. So the inverse of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6. So we divide both sides by 6, and we get x equals 30 degrees. And that would solve this problem for us there. What I've also done is the first question I'm going to work through as an example to help you get started. This is a little bit different because we have letters and numeric numbers, but we start it the same way. We say that the angles in the triangle equals 180, and we add together our three angles. So we have 2a, add 120. What we do then is we collect like terms. So the 2a and the a are both algebraic terms, and you add them together to get 3a. That's because 2a add 1a is 3a. You then have your plus 120. And what we do is we solve this as an equation because that's what it is. So we look at the plus 120. The opposite of adding 120 is taking away 120. So what we do is we subtract 120 from both sides. When we do that, the 120 cancels out because 120 take away 120 gives us 0, and we get left with 3a. We then do 180 take away 120, which gives us 60. What we then do is we've got 3a, that's the same as 3 times a. So we divide through by 3 because the inverse of timesing by 3 is dividing by 3, and you get a equals 20. Use this video to help you complete the rest of the Knowledge Organiser and any work set on Maths Watch. Thank you.